Hi, this is Chris with Fischer Workshops. In this video tutorial, learn how to make my designer hip bag. A printable PDF pattern can be downloaded at fischerworkshops.com. Acrylic trace templates can also be purchased at Fischer Workshops. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. You can support Fischer Workshops by subscribing and sharing our videos, introducing a larger audience to the art of leathercraft. Using a scratch-all and template or pattern, mark trace lines in the leather and cut out the leather pieces. This is where the belt will be fixed to the cover later on. I'm marking here where to apply the glue. I hand stained all the leather after cutting, but won't be showing this process in this video. For more information on the stain, please see the description below. Most of the leather in this project is 5 ounces thick, except for this piece that I used 8 to 9 ounce leather. You'll want this piece to be thicker as it'll make it more durable. Using an acrylic template or printed pattern, mark where the D-rings will be glued. Roughen the surface in preparation for the contact cement. With a stitching groover, mark stitching lines along the D-ring loops. Punch stitching holes with stitching chisels. Apply contact cement as illustrated. Once the glue has begun to set, fold the leather over the D-ring and fix together. Set a rivet in each of the D-ring loops. Now apply contact cement to the D-ring loops and the back body and fix together. Using an acrylic template or the PDF pattern, place the D-ring loop accurately onto the bag body. Using a stitching chisel, punch stitching holes along the D-ring loops. Fix to a stitching pony and stitch together. Here I fixed a 2.5 ounce thick leather lining to the bag's interior. This lining will help strengthen the back of the leather and keep it from losing its shape. On the top belt, I'm going to first punch a hole for the concho. Using my pattern template, I mark the area that I want to fix the upper belt to the lower belt. Using a stitch groover, mark stitching lines along the upper belt. Punch stitching holes and then stitch together. Now fix the concho to the belt. Using my pattern template, I want to first mark where my bridge buckle will be fixed. First, mark stitching lines. Now fix the buckle to the leather piece. Apply contact cement and then fix the buckle to the bag cover. Punch stitching holes and stitch together. Now apply contact cement to the front and back edges and fix together. Mark stitching lines along the edges. Make sure to line up the pieces accurately before fixing together. Here I like to use a pair of stitching hole pliers to make sure that my holes line up evenly on both sides. For this, I'll punch the remainder of all the holes with this pair of pliers. With a sanding stick or with a rotary tool as illustrated, sand the edges down until they're completely even. Using an edge beveler, bevel the edges before burnishing. Using a fine grit sanding paper, sand down the edges one more time. Now I'm going to apply a black edge dye. Apply a little water and begin burnishing with a wood slicker. To finish up the edges, I like to heat up a little hot hard wax and polish with a piece of denim. Now apply contact cement and fix the belt to the front cover. Mark stitching lines and stitch together. Apply a little contact cement to a piece of 2.5 ounce thick leather and fix the belt loop straps onto the lining and cut out. Now mark stitching lines, punch holes, and stitch together. Punch rivet and button holes as indicated on the pattern. Now bevel and finish the edges. Using a button press or button setter, fix a button on each end. Fold the leather over a snap and fix a rivet to the end. Finished. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching.